Launched globally on August 17, 2021, Nothing Ear had the world by storm. It generated a global hype and almost broke the internet with the promise of the future of technology even months before releasing. With the hope of the tech enthusiasts everywhere resting on Carl Pei's shoulders, what does the Swedish internet entrepreneur have in mind for the future of nothing? In this video, we'll talk a bit about the future plans of nothing and if we can expect something from them. The existence of nothing raises a very important question. Why did Carl Pei decide to leave OnePlus, a company that was seemingly on top of the food chain? The answer lies in an interview with The Verge, where Carl Pei made a statement that gave us a pretty solid idea. During the interview, he said, "Nothing won't just relabel somebody else's products," which was, according to us, a blow directly at OnePlus. So, why earbuds? Bluetooth audio products are as close to a perfect once-in-a-decade product category as there is. And the amount of profit that can be generated with them is almost unparalleled. For this same reason, LG abandoned phones and focused more on earbuds. Sony makes more money from audio than selling phones, and then there's Apple. According to a report from top Apple analyst Ming-Chi Kuo of TFI Asset Management Limited, the company sold 27 million pairs of its newest version of AirPods for a total of 90 million sold during the holiday quarter of 2021. At its simplest, a product category is attractive to companies if they can either sell lots of units like shampoo or toilet paper, or if they can make lots of money per sale like with luxury handbags or watches, for example. If either of the two are given, they can make some money. But if both are given, like in the case of wireless audio products, well, that's basically a fortune waiting to be made. Carl Pei wanted to break this monotonous cycle that didn't inspire creativity and moved on to launch his own venture with his own ideas. The result? Nothing. As funny as it sounds, Nothing was based on the idea of how tech was becoming more complicated every day, and Carl Pei thinks technological advancement is not going the right way. He sees a future where technology is everywhere, but at the same time, nowhere. A bit cryptic, we agree. But when you think about it, it makes sense. Imagine an ecosystem that connects seamlessly with each other without the need to be divided by branding. The result of this idea is their critically acclaimed earbuds called Ear, which sold over an astonishing 400,000 units. Why? Because quite simply, unlike some brands, Nothing is focusing on more open-ended connectivity while looking beautiful and minimalistic at the same time. I mean, just look at them. If these aren't the future, nothing is. See what we did there? The translucent buds were also reviewed by popular YouTubers like MKBHD and Unbox Therapy, which only added to the buds being a favorite in the community, increasing the overall hype in the process. And with that success, Carl Pei is also working on a smartphone called Phone, which has been in development for over a year now and has plans to get itself announced by next month. But on the flip side, we need to consider how making a smartphone is not as simple as making a pair of earbuds. The earbuds market is blowing up right now, which makes the product a pretty basic thing to make a profit out of. But phones? We are still in the dark about what hardware Nothing is going to use in their phone, as so far, only the UI has been revealed. And without a working prototype to highlight the features, it's not uncommon for people to be a little bit skeptical, which brings us to the question, will Nothing be able to live up to the hype? This enthusiast-focused phone, suffice it to say, will get an enormous level of support from the OnePlus community who's familiar with Carl Pei's work. And with players like Apple and Samsung dominating the global sales, it'll be very interesting to see where nothing ends up. We just have to wait until the grand reveal. But for now, things are looking very hopeful for Carl Pei, as nothing ends up as being something.